Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these rose gold Minnie Mouse nails that I did to match my rose gold ears. As this video goes up, I'm in Disney World, and you guys know I always do my nails when I go, so I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. Also, based on your guys' votes, I am going to be doing Disney vlogs on my trip, so stay tuned on my channel for those. I'm really excited to share a different type of video with you guys. Then I'm taking this super light pink polish by Orly called Pamper Me, and I'm painting that on my pinky and index nails. Then I'm taking this beautiful rose gold glitter polish by Cirque Colors called Hansen, and I'm painting that on my thumb and ring finger. And I'm painting my middle nail white. And I'm doing a gradient on this nail, so I'm applying a layer of top coat over it to make sure it's completely dry before I do my gradient. Then I'm taking the Simply Peel Liquid Latex by Bliss Kiss, and I'm painting that all around my nail just to make cleanup easier. And with a makeup sponge, I'm painting a stripe of white and a stripe of that same light pink, and then rolling the sponge onto my nail and dabbing up and down to blend the colors together. You have to repeat this process a few times just to kind of build up the colors and get the gradient to look how you want. Then I'm peeling off the liquid latex using tweezers and taking a small brush dipped in nail polish remover for any other mistakes. Then I'm taking that rose gold glitter polish and I'm creating rows of tiny dots all over my nail. Then with an even smaller dotting tool, I'm adding 2 tiny dots at the top of all of the other dots to make little Mickey heads. And then I also wanted to put one larger Mickey head on all of my pink nails, so I'm taking a dotting tool again and just putting a Mickey head in the corner of my pink nails. Finally, I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more pictures and information, then you can click here or the link in the description to head over to my blog and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.